I just got from my review these solar deck lights. I'm going to be installing them in a different kind of way, and you'll see this in the B-roll in just a second. But I wanted to talk to you about how this thing, what this thing looks like, what it comes with. This is a 20 pack. Check this out. So this is it right here. So you've got that light here, and you'd be essentially installing it either with tape. So they do provide you with these little really cool blocks of tape. So you would be able to put that tape right here and kind of just set it down on a deck on any flat surface, or they do also give you the hardware with the screws to actually install it and screw it down on your deck. And then the cool thing is that it does have a rechargeable battery right here. You don't have to touch that battery at all whatsoever because it is connected to that solar panel that will replenish the battery and completely juice it up during the day. And at night, automatically, as soon as the sun comes down, these lights will turn on. So I say these lights because there are 20 of them, and it's really, really cool. Now, to turn on, don't forget before you install it to make sure to click it onto the on position. Right here, there's an on position or an off position. So make sure you're on position and then install it, and away you go. And as you can see in the video, they look really, really bright, really nice. You could do this around a deck, of course, but you could also do this pretty much anywhere like what I'm doing. We're just doing it around the parking lot, around the driveway, and it does look good. It does look, put together, especially because you have not just 2 or 3. I've got 20 to go around, so 10 on each side. Looks fantastic. I love these things, and I love how bright they are. And it just gives you not only just a nice little, landscape touch as far as lighting, but also, a little bit more safety, a little bit more security as well. But yeah, these things are fantastic.